Nextbase 622GW. If you're looking for additional features beyond what the N4 offers, such as built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, Alexa support, and an emergency calling feature, the Nextbase 622GW is worth considering. It boasts a user-friendly interface and mount, along with 4K resolution, night vision, GPS tracking, and 24-hour parked car monitoring. While it has a maximum operating temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to our top pick and budget pick, which can handle up to 158 degrees, the Nextbase 622GW is designed to work in temperatures as low as minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for extremely cold climates. The display is large, sharp, and clear, providing a clear view of your footage. When an incident is detected, the footage is automatically saved, and there's a big red button to manually save important moments. Our review was impressed by the built-in polarizing filter, which effectively reduces windscreen glare, and the digital image stabilization works excellently to minimize road vibrations. Keep in mind that it only includes a front-facing camera, but you have the option to add a 1080p rear camera or interior camera for an additional $100 each. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.